Hello Leo and welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to give you a reading for the month of October 2020, and this is a core relationship reading. So let's see what is happening in your life. Along with that, I would like to share my contact numbers with you so that if you want to get your personalized reading done, you can reach me on blossomlifetarot@gmail.com. That's my email ID. You can contact me on 918448901791. That's my mobile number. You can WhatsApp me, you can call me on this number. You can visit my website www.blossomlifetarot.com as well. Okay, so let's get ahead and see what are the energies we are getting in the month of October 2020 for you, and what exactly your partner is telling you in this month, and what is coming your way in this month, Leo. A lot of things are happening, important things are happening. But then before I start explaining it to you, giving you a glimpse about it, I will always say and tell you people that whatever happens for good. If things are not happening and going your way in this month or any specific month, any time period, any time point in time in life, then I will say that that is the plan of universe for you, because you could not plan your life well. So it is actually making you walk on a path which is better than what you could have planned for yourself. Maybe long run, when you will look back, you will see that whatever happened, it happened for good. Okay, also your karma plays an important role in your readings, in your life, and in your future, what you build for in your future specifically. So what you are doing today, it will come back to you tomorrow. So do well today, be wise to people today, so that you make a beautiful tomorrow. What you have done, you can't change that. What you will be doing from today is something that will change your future. So focus and work towards your future accordingly. Okay, so let's get ahead. Very first card talks about wisdom. You're already going through a breakup. Some time alone, you want to be alone sometime. You want to spend time with yourself, with your own mind, your thoughts, your wisdom. You are in that phase right now. Breakup, what you've gone through till now, has given you some learnings in life, something what you could not learn if it did not happen in your life. So it's a good thing which happened to you. Maybe you needed it. You needed this learning in life, and this is why God gave you this hard way. There are positive things happening in your life, positive things in terms of recovery, positive things in terms of if you were ill for some time, you were not doing well, maybe emotionally, you were going through depression, anxiety, you were not feeling well, then I think recovery is coming your way. So don't worry, it is going to be fine very soon, because this stress had come into your life because of your relationship area only, and it is recovering now. So you will recover now. Okay, you feel very, very burdened with this person's presence in your life. You always felt burdened, but then you were still carrying this relationship on your shoulders. Or if you are in a relationship right now, I feel a few of you are feeling very burdened right now, because you feel that you have extra responsibilities on your head which you're trying to carry out, though you are carrying them out very well, but you never wanted this kind of a life. Why? Because there's a third party involvement here, and this third person is actually not only spoiling your relationship, but then it is putting you under pressure. This person is very intelligent, he's sharp, he's intelligent, and this person is going to get his way out anyhow, and you will cry behind because you could not win out of this person. People who are in third party relationship, if you are the third party in a relationship, your competitor is going to win the battle, I'm telling you. So if you are in that kind of a relationship, please refrain yourself from such kind of a relationship, because it is not going to first work out. Second, you will have loss in your hands. So unethical relationships which are not meant for you, just get out of them. If you want to spend some time alone with yourself, do that. That I will advise you. Do it. That will go well for you, because right now you really need some time alone. You need some time alone. You need stability. And how will you get that stability, emotional stability? By spending some time with yourself. Be away from third party situations, Leo. Do not get into any third party situation, because it is going to get you losses in life. And your luck is so that you will not be the winner in such situations. You will always be the one who will have to pay back because of whatever reasons. You will have third party involvement. You will have people who will see you together, who will tell the family of the other person. You're not going to be in a win situation. Like, you have a lot of competitors already around you, because the way you talk anyways, it is a very harsh way, the way you treat people around. And maybe the way you showcase yourself is like you are on a very higher side of life, but then you're not happy. You're not at all happy, Leo. You feel stuck, you feel punished, and you think, why did it happen to me? Why is this happening to me in relationships? So you feel that you are unlucky in relationships. Most of you feel that you are unlucky in a relationship. Things do not go your way. Why did it not go your way? I'm just flipping cards randomly, and I want to see that what is it that is happening further. You need to have some free time for yourself. You need to have some free spirit for yourself. You need a fresh life, a fresh start for yourself. That's certainly there. You need a new start. That's required. But when you start your life, suddenly a new life you're starting, then I will say that here, look at the repercussions also, exactly what you are doing. Do not fall flat, off the cliff, because you are not looking down. You're just planning, but then that planning needs to be a very well planned kind of a thing. You don't plan things in dark and then suddenly you fall off the cliff, and then you blame God. Oh God, why did you do it to me? So that's there. Your partners are anyways, if I feel third party situation, I sense third party situations in your life right now. And whosoever is in that kind of a situation, I will say that count your, the values you have learned throughout your life, and move ahead accordingly, Leo. You need to value your learnings, or the ethical ways what you have learned in life. You are compromising on them right now. If you are away from your partner and you were in a third party situation and you were not in talking terms with your partner, I think God is giving you an opportunity to reunite with your partner, guys. Reunite with your partner. That's very, very important. I will have to say that. It's very important. Start where you are, wherever you are in life with that person, you can start from there fresh. There's a fresh start which is written in your life. You can start new, start fresh with this person only. But when you start, have a conversation. That's what I'm just trying to check, as to how do you start the conversation. Are you in a inter-religion kind of a relationship? That's what I feel in the cards. The person do not belong to your religion. It's a inter-religion kind of relationship which is happening, and this person is maybe already married, and you are actually falling in love with this person. That certainly I see in the cards. Second, it is okay to love people, but then it is not okay to be blind in love. So there's a difference and a very thin line between them. So you need to take care of that. Let me summarize this reading for you, Leo. You're already going through a breakup. There has been a heartbreak in your life a couple of times. I see that, I sense that in your reading. That's one thing. With that energy, with that heartbreak, you got into a relationship which relationship was not ethical. Maybe this person belonged to some other community, some other religion, inter-religion, inter-community kind of a thing happened. You already had responsibilities on your head, a lot of responsibilities, and with that you got into this kind of a relationship also, which got you all the more stressed. Okay, now October is the month which is talking about it very, very clearly, very, very concretely, and it is just summarizing it summarizing it all. The person did not stand by you when things will come out in light. He will not stand by you, and you will feel like that you are unfortunate to be in love with such people, but then it was your choice which was wrong. You always knew this is going to happen. It was there in your heart. It was there, a part of you synced in you that it will happen, but then you did not want to accept the fact. So that acceptance did not come, and that made you suffer. It is not anyone else's mistake, it is your mistake, Leo. Same thing goes vice versa to people who are dealing with Leo energies, and Leo energies are the third party connection. Okay, so there also the support is not happening. So universe is not supporting any unethical energies in this month. That's what you will have to make sure. If you were already in a relationship, reunite with your partner. Universe will give you that chance, and be clear if you really want it. Do not do it in any kind of a pressure. Do it with all your heart. That's what I will suggest you. Okay, so take care of yourself, be good to people, be nice to people, follow your values, Leo. It is very important for you. Okay, and be happy and be nice.